I had a car where people were like, oh, hey. I'm like, hey, thanks.
But then like, I don't know, I started having people like having weird complaints like, oh, this wasn't the molding on my car, this wasn't this and that, and I was like,
cover your butt.
Yep. So now I definitely use one.
So the other day one of my Teslas got in this accident, and I'm like, how do you hit somebody with in the front when you have all these sensors?
Yeah, it picks up everything.
I'm like, you haven't even tried.
It definitely picks, even when I'm like pulling up next to Teslas, I can see it like my car on their screen. Yeah. So you know it's definitely picking up everything.
It was hilarious. One time I was at a Padres game, and we're leaving, and you know, like you're in the parking lot leaving, and you should go, you know, one person goes, the other person goes, one.
Yeah.
This one Tesla went right behind the other guy and like cut me off. So I'm like, well, damn, and like we're in line forever, right? So rather than get mad or yell at him or anything, I just like creep up on his bumper. And I could hear in my head, dee, 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 dee. And then he pulled up a little, and then I creep up on his bumper, and you can see like, I was dying, bro. It was so funny. Come on, get out, say something.
Yeah, my buddy said like some guy brake checked him at Costco or whatever. I think it was the day before yesterday, and he's like, man, I wasn't even doing anything. And he said the guy like cuts him off and parks right next to him, the pump that he was going to. And he's like, what? And then so he starts yelling at him, and the guy rolls down the window. It's like an elderly guy. Yeah, he's like, I'm sorry, son, I didn't see you. Yeah. Well, because my buddy was like, man, get out of the car right now.
Guy's over here crapping his depends.
Yeah, and the guy was like, I'm too old for that. He was like, man, like I didn't expect you to be an old elderly guy. He's like, I don't know why he would do that. I was like, dude, because he knew like he's at the age where he could just cut you off. He's like, and you're not gonna do
her insurance.
Exactly. And I was like, at his age, he doesn't care. You're not gonna get out and beat up an old man. We both know that. So you thought it was a young kid. Let's see.
All I got today is send this car out. I guess I'm gonna do laundry and dishes.
Man, I was thinking about like renting out cars because I do a lot of jobs for people. Yeah. But I was like, in this area, I feel like it's good, but in other areas, it probably wouldn't be.
Right.
Just because the airport's right here, and I get a lot of extra work for people breaking rental car windows and having me do chip repairs.
You gotta fix this before I turn it in.
Exactly. Every time.
That's cool.
Okay, now we go to dry it. All right, the second time it definitely looks a little bit better. Or maybe the angle of the sun changed. Because it's getting hard to see. But it definitely, I feel like it got better the second one. So 2 cycles definitely worked. Oh, this goes down. I think it looks better. they might as well be saying stuff like that sometimes. Sometimes I don't even know what they're talking about, and I'm like, bro, like I could do everything. I could do everything except for paint. I tried to spray a car, but I was too young. I was like 17.
Takes a lot of patience on.
Yeah, and I didn't know it'd take patience. Now I could do body work because I wrap my own car, so now I could do all the body work and everything. But I just haven't sprayed. But now they have mobile spray booths. You could buy all the just blow a spray booth. They're like, yeah, this thing's sick.
That's cool.
Feeling good about this one, that's for sure.
Nice.
I mean, I haven't took all the stuff off of it, but so far it's looking better than when I first took it off. Yeah, it kind of sucks doing chip repairs too, because like every time you do one, the results are different.
Yeah.
And like it's kind of sucks to do jobs where like you can't even really tell a customer how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah.
You're like, it's gonna do something.
It's gonna be better, don't worry.
Well, it's like with Safe Light, you say came, it's like they tell you it's gonna be better. They're like, well, sometimes they don't change.
Yeah, and you know, it's funny because he didn't say anything until after it was done. I'm like, oh.
Nah, that's why I tell you right away. It could crack it could look better, it could look the same. Cause
And he did say it could crack. Because if it cracks, then you just submit it to your insurance, and you know, whatever you paid us, we'll put towards the deductible.
that's what I used to say.
Yeah.
Now I just be like, I just want to charge you. And if you want a new window, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'll just do the new window. Anything that they're using and we know it works and it's gonna save you this amount of money, they're gonna say, oh yeah, of course, 100%. Let me have my guys test it, and if it works, we'll start buying from you. You know how that goes. Oh man, look at that. That came out pretty good. It was right there.
Yep.
That better than Safe Light results?
Yeah. Safe Light, we're done. It looked like this one started with.